Good morning and welcome to the pre-market report for 24th June 2022. Now, before I start the video, there's been a few questions which have been coming constantly about the course, which many people are unsure about. Yes, the course has my own, basically I will be guiding you through the trades which I am taking, so you can also take them. Then also apart from that, also the quant indicators you get access for 1 full year, and they will be added to your trading view account, and basically they are for you to use, but you cannot view the source code naturally, but you can use them to trade. The third question is payment methods. You can pay by any method you want. Basically we'll send you a link, or you can do a bank transfer. Via the link you'll pay by credit card, UPI, Google Pay, WhatsApp Pay, whatever method you want. Now when we come to today's video, basically let's look at the American market first. Before the American market, let's look at the news cycle. The news cycle, basically it has mainly involved the Western countries and a bit on the Indian economy. Let's say the Western countries, Germany is entering the second phase of its emergency gas plan, and then usual China accusing the US as the BRICS summit is about to start, and now each of the BRICS countries is going to share their opinion. After another thing is that yes, Modi said that he expects the Indian economy to grow by 7.5% in the FY23, but now that is all grand posturing. The reality will be different, and India's basically the FII ownership in Indian stocks has fallen to a 5-year low. So basically there's not much news, but this is what has come out as of now. Now when we come to the American indexes, because today I said due to the 20 and 50 day formation which is happening, there was a high likelihood of us having a breakout to the top. Now that is exactly what we are seeing in all the three indexes. As we can see, the indexes have had a good climb and have now reached a simple candle resistance zone of 11,755. Now if they'll be able to breach this today in today's session, then they'll head to the quant support zone which I shared on Monday of 11,913. Now when you come to the S&P, it's the same scenario. S&P has reached the candle resistance zone, but it is the candle resistance zone and the quant resistance zone are quite similar. So basically that is that for that. And the Dow Jones is also basically the same. It has, as I was saying when I initially said that I expect it to go upwards to start testing the quant support, quant resistance level. The crossovers had not occurred, and I said it was looking sure that the crossovers will occur, and you can see now crossover occurred, and now if it breaches this candle's resistance zone at 3810 to 30,900, then it will go to the quant resistance at 31,345. So today's trading session, the next two trading sessions for the American market are going to be very important, and naturally for us also, because we are following the American markets like dummies constantly. And yes, now when we come to the Nifty index of our own, we move this there. Yes. Now we come to Nifty index. It is holding in the box range which I had highlighted, and as I said, we're going to have to battle a 20-day moving average, and that battle is now coming up today. But the good thing is yesterday's candle was positive on the daily chart, and we can see also on the 4-hour chart it was good. Now if you break above the or 20-day moving average, then we will have an upswing. But to look at it in a more closer basis, let's come to this intraday chart. So basically, if you break the high of today, we're going to again go and test 15,700. You break the 15,700, we're going to the candle resistance zone, but there's some quant resistance levels there which I've shared with clients. But 15,700 is going to be a very important zone, quant resistance level, for this to battle today even. If it manages to break above it, then that will be a very good sign. Now the Banknifty is also in a similar position, but the only issue is that the Banknifty has much more resistance to comply with in terms of it's not yet even met the first big candle resistance level. So the Banknifty has to first break above 32,430 and then 32,700. This zone is going to be very important for the Banknifty, and in fact I expect once we enter this zone, you can expect some good amount of volatility there, which will break a lot of traders. You breach 32,700, then we are going to have an upward swing, and in fact, for me and my clients, we already sold options yesterday based on what we are seeing, and I believe the options will decay very well for the expiry next week. And so basically that is it for the indexes. It's basically 15,700 and 32,700 are the make or break zones which the indexes are approaching. And today it will be an important day to see how we handle towards the closing. Do we get a lot of foreign pressure in selling which can bring us back down? If we don't, then we're all good. If we do, then naturally we will have a small pullback. Thank you for watching, and do like the video and subscribe to the channel.